In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily get in touch with Phantom Wallet support, ensuring that you can get the assistance you need in a seamless manner. First things first, open up your Phantom Wallet app on your device. Once you've done that, make sure you log into your account if you're not already logged in. It's always crucial to double-check that you're entering the correct login information to avoid any unnecessary hassles. Now that you're logged in, you should find yourself on the home page. This is where you can view your account balance, the tokens you own, and explore various features available to you, like receiving, sending, swapping, and buying. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this interface, as being comfortable navigating it will help you manage your assets more effectively. Next, direct your attention to your profile. You'll typically find this option at the top right or left corner of your screen, depending on your device. A simple tap will get you into your profile. From there, look for the settings option. This is often depicted by a gear icon, which serves as the gateway to configuring your app to suit your preferences. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the help and support section. This is the area where all your inquiries can be addressed, and you'll discover various resources designed to help you solve any issues you might be facing. If you're seeking assistance, this is the prime spot to go to. You can simply click here whenever you have any concerns about the app. As you browse through this section, you'll likely come across topics and questions already answered. By exploring these, you might find that your particular concern has already been addressed, saving you the hassle of contacting support directly. It's quite advantageous because it can provide immediate answers without waiting. Remember, the help and support section is ever evolving, with new resources being added as more common issues or concerns arise. So, it's always a good practice to revisit this area whenever you have new queries or face new challenges within the app. While that sums up how to reach Phantom Wallet support, remember that staying informed and utilizing these tools can greatly enhance your experience with the app. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now comfortable finding support whenever you need it. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, make sure to explore the educational resources offered by Phantom. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more instructional content. Happy navigating!